Hello. Hi, my name is Joandra, and I will be the nurse one second. I will be the nurse helping you with your test today. Is it just you who's doing the test? Okay, perfect. Can you tell me your name and your birthday, please? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Piece of government ID, like your passport or driver's license?
Sure.
Thanks. Just bring it a bit closer. March 2701. Thanks. Now can you just read me that tube number?
Sure.
Thanks. Can you also write down that number just so you have it for your own records? Sorry, or take a picture of it as well?
Yeah, sure. I can write it down here.
Okay, write it down. Good. Once you finish writing that, please go ahead and blow your nose and sanitize your hands, okay? Don't use anything in your kit to do that. Use your own items. Use some hand sanitizer. Now I'm gonna get you to go ahead and take your tube and open it. Careful that you don't spill the liquid inside, and stand it up on the table upright, okay? That's great. Just stand it up on the table. Great. Okay, so now what we're going to do is you're going to take your swab and also open it up. Careful that you don't touch the bristles. Open it opposite side from bristles, okay?
Yeah, okay, correct.
And hold it in your hand. And then just wait for my next instruction.
Like this?
Yeah, so you're gonna swab both nostrils for 15 seconds on each side. I will count it and tell you when to switch over, okay? Put it in just 1 to 2 centimeters or until the bristles are completely inside your nostril. Rotate it like this in between your fingertips and move it around in a circular motion once it's inside your nose.
Yeah.
You ready? You can start. Good, and keep moving it around. That's good. Keep going. Good, and keep moving it. Little line. You see how there's like a little notch
I can see that
in the middle? Break it there, okay? Number on the label. Can I see it?
Sure. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Just give me a
No
second.
problem. Go ahead.
Yeah, I found this.
Good. Now you're gonna put that on the tube. Don't cover that barcode or serial number, okay?
Okay, yep.
And show me once it's on the tube. Good, now you're gonna put it inside the biohazard bag. I believe yours is orange. And you're going to put it in also with the absorbent sleeve.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're asking about this one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
That one with the tube and the bag. And then just show me what the bag looks like. Good. Now you're gonna put it inside the blue box. Make sure the blue box is empty, okay? There's nothing inside. Got it in there?
Should I take it out? This one?
So take everything out of the blue. Take everything out of the blue box, okay?
Okay.
The only thing that should be in there is the biohazard bag. Sorry, I'm just gonna have a drink of water if that's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Kind of like a pizza box. Should look like this. Sides in. So you just seal it here. So just use that clear round sticker to seal it closed. That's great. And then now just sanitize your hands one more time. Now you're gonna put it inside the red Purelator bag and seal it closed, okay?
This one?
Yeah, put it inside.
Okay. It's inside this.
Yeah, put it in and seal it closed. Yeah, seal it closed. Like, remove the little aluminum foil and fold it over. Yeah. Good, and then show me, yeah. So now you're gonna take the alcohol wipe and you're gonna clean the whole bag.
Okay.
Don't go over the yellow sticker just because the ink will come off, okay?
Okay, got it.
So now your test is complete and all you have to do is schedule a pickup with Purelator. You can do that right after the phone call ends on your Switch Health account. It will say next step, schedule your pickup. If you don't see that option whatsoever, okay, write it down.
Yeah, you can tell me now.
888.
Okay.
And then keep your test in the refrigerator until Purelator comes. Then you can put it outside 30 minutes before they get there. And then if you want, you can write down that Purelator PIN number, and that's just the tracking number. So if you want to track the package, you can do that through there.
No? Okay. Oh, take your alcohol wipe and clean the whole Purelator bag. Don't clean over the yellow sticker, okay? Okay, bye. Bye.